for every electrode, you have to must remember that 3 points. That is, first one is representation, second one is half cell reaction or electrode reaction, and third one is EMF equation or Nernst equation or electrode potential. Then general discussion of this point is what is meant by metal electrode. This electrode consists of metal M. That is any metal. This electrode consists of metal M in contact with its solution containing ions. Then how to represent this electrode? Representation is Mn plus ions in aqueous state, vertical line metal in solid state. Vertical line indicates phase boundary between metal and its ions. Then half cell reaction or electrode reaction. Half cell reaction, electrode reaction can be written in reduction potential concept. That is, Mn plus aqueous state plus number of electrons gives metal. Then how to represent EMF equation? EMF equation or electrode potential. EMF equation can be written on the basis of Nernst equation. That is, E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT upon NF into log of. Here log of activity of reduced state upon activity of oxidized state. In half cell reaction, oxidized state is Mn plus and reduced state is M. Therefore, log of activity of M upon activity of Mn plus ions. In this case, this is Nernst equation. That is electrode potential of metal. Standard electrode potential of metal. R is constant, it is gas constant. T is absolute temperature or temperature in Kelvin. F is Faraday, near about 46500, and N is number of electrons. Here Am is activity of metal. Mn plus is the activity of metal ions in the solution. Therefore, this equation can also be written as E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 into RT upon NF into log of 1 upon activity of Mn plus. In electrochemistry, we always considered as activity of metal or activity of liquid is always considered as 1. That is, in this case, Am is equal to 1, or activity of any liquid is considered as 1. Therefore, this equation becomes E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT upon NF into log of 1 upon activity of Mn plus. From this equation, we can say that electrode potential or EMF equation or EMF depends upon activity of metal ions in the solution, because all remaining terms are constant. Then give one or two examples. Whenever suppose you have to ask this question in examination, then we can write first of all these 3 points without fail, because your marks will be going to these 3 points: representation, half cell reaction, and EMF equation, and give one of the example. Then you have to take one example. zinc ion electrode. In this electrode, the metal zinc is in contact with its ions. Therefore, representation of this reaction can be written as Zn2 plus aqueous state, then Zn solid. Then reduction of reaction of this electrode is Zn2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons gives Zn solid. Then EMF equation of this electrode is E, means electrode potential of zinc metal is equal to E0 indicates standard electrode potential of zinc metal minus 2.303 RT upon number of reactions involved in the upset reaction are 2 into F into log of activity of Zn upon activity of Zn2 plus, here since n is equal to 2. Hence, the next step is E is equal to E0 minus, we know that activity of any metal or liquid is 1. Therefore, E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT upon 2F into log of 1 upon activity of Zn plus. Here activity of Zn is equal to 1. Then another example we have to take. It is second example is silver ion electrode. Silver ion electrode. Then in this case, the metal Ag in contact with its Ag plus ions solution. Therefore, representation of this electrode is, once you understand how to represent, how to write the half cell reaction, how to write the EMF equation. Two things are most important. That is, first of all, representation. If we have to write any mistakes in representation, then we do not write in the half cell reaction. If you does any mistakes in half cell reaction, then you do not write EMF equation. EMF equation totally depends upon half cell reaction. If this reaction is wrong, then EMF equation is also wrong. Then silver ions in aqueous state, silver metal. Then Ag half cell reaction is Ag plus ions plus electrons. This is the reduction of cell reaction. Ag solid. EMF equation is E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT upon, here number of electrons, that is value of En is 1, therefore into F, 1 into F means Vf, into log of activity of reduced state. In this half cell reaction is reduced state is activity of Ag, oxidized state is activity of Ag plus, since N is equal to 1. Therefore, this equation can also be written as E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT upon F into log of 1 upon activity of Ag plus ions. Here activity of metal is considered as 1.